welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. We are going to be unboxing the December Allure Beauty Box. I've yet to open this right here. I believe it's the Nikki Tutorials one, so if you guys want to see me unbox this and see everything that's inside, we'll swatch everything, go ahead and keep on watching. Getting an Allure Beauty Box. I have heard of them and I did do a little bit of research. So they are $15 a month and you normally get between 5 and 6 products. I believe they are mostly like mini products, but you can get full-size products as well. They actually sent this to me. I did receive this from a PR company, so I do not regularly receive the Allure Beauty Boxes, but if this is a video you guys enjoy, maybe I could subscribe to them so I could do these monthly for you guys depending on how this one goes. I believe this is the Nikki Tutorials collaboration. I know that they do a collab with some influencers. I've seen them do like a Jaclyn Hill one as well. And I believe if you guys sign up, you get the first box for only $10, I believe. So I am going to open mine. So first up, yes, this is the Nikki Tutorials box right here. There is a beautiful picture of her. I've actually met Nikki Tutorials and she's super sweet in real life. So this is really cool. So in here you have this little pamphlet which has the information on each one of the products. I've never received one of these, like I said, so this is kind of cool to have a more detailed little book here, and it looks like we're getting some really great products in this box. Okay, so the first thing I am seeing is from Bliss, and these are the holographic foil eye masks. So there are 2 different eye masks in here. I've actually tried this out. I really enjoy these. I've used them quite a few times, and I want to see too like the retail on all of these things because I believe that should be in here, how much these cost. So they are, the regular price is $16. So excited about these. I actually really like those. Up next, we have this little, oh my God, this little mini makeup remover cleansing towelette from Neutrogena. This is just like a little mini guy. I'm guessing there's only one in here. This would be nice, I guess, for travel. I'm not sure how much, like this seems like a lot of packaging for one makeup wipe. I think I've heard a little bit of backfire on this for that, but let me go ahead and see how much this is. I don't see it. It just has like this little thing here on the back. So I don't know how much it is for the exact like full thing of these, but that's kind of a cool idea. It's kind of cute to get in here. So up next in the box, we have the Nubian palette from Juvia's Place. This is like a little mini palette, and I actually only ever tried one palette from Juvia's Place, and I actually tried it out today. So funny that I am doing this unboxing. So I have on my eyes the Dulce palette from Juvia's Place. That's the only palette I've ever tried from them, so it's really exciting to get another palette. And I don't know what this one looks like on the inside. I do know it's like a little mini one. Look at how cute this is. Super small. This is really cute. So it has inside of here 6 different colors. It's very like neutral toned palette. I'm gonna swatch the colors for you guys. All right, so here are the swatches of all 6 of the colors. They swatch really nicely. I think that this is such a cute little mini palette. It's like the perfect size. Like it's so small. You could travel with this one. And I love that it's all like neutral tones. So far, I'm pretty impressed with this box, especially for only 15 bucks. And if you're first time, you only get this for $10. So up next, I see a highlight in here. All right, and then the next item in here is the Everglow highlight, and this is a full-size highlighter, which is awesome. So this is the Everglow highlight from Ofra that is in collaboration with Nikki Tutorials. I went and grabbed mine, so I already own this. It is in the old packaging, so I could swatch it for you guys because I don't want to open this one because I can definitely gift it to someone. So it's the same highlight, it just has white packaging. So let me swatch all of the shades. I love Ofra's highlighters, and this is one of my favorites out of all of them because you do get the 3 different highlight shades. So I'm just going to swatch them on the side of my hand right here. So there are all 3 of them swatched. They're super blinding, really buttery, very pretty on the face. I absolutely love Ofra. They're probably my favorite highlighting brand, like if not my favorite. And the price on this highlight is $35, so definitely a great value. And then we have 2 more products in here still. So up next we have a product from NYX. This is the NYX Lingerie, and this one is in the shade, what shade is this? So this shade is called Cabret Show, I believe is how you say it. And I'm not the biggest fan of this formula. I have tried it before, but it's been a while since I've tried it. And I just just didn't love the way this felt on my lips. I thought it dried down like way too matte, and I just didn't love it. But I am going to give it another try. Maybe I will feel differently. But here is a swatch of that color. It's a very like red, orangey, burnt shade. And this one retails for $6.99. It is full size. Okay, and then the last item in the December Allure Beauty Box is this eyeliner pen. So this is from LA Splash, and this is their slim waterproof eyeliner pen. I've never tried anything from that brand, so I am going to swatch this liner. It looks very, very black when you swatch it. It is a felt tip liner, but it does have a bit of a bend to it. So this would be really nice for creating a winged eyeliner moment. And the price on this one is $14. And I think that LA Splash is an affordable brand. I wanted to try some of their products, so maybe I need to check them out more. But that is going to be all of the items for the Allure December Beauty Box. Let me know what you guys think of this unboxing. If you guys want to see these here on my channel, I can definitely subscribe to the box. I will have the linked down below for you guys to check out. Like I said, I believe it is $15, but I think your first time you get $5 off. So this box would only be $10. I think it is a great value. Obviously, you are getting a ton of great products in here. A lot of them are full size, which is awesome. I did just add up the value. It's going to be $91.99 for the total value of this box. But after that, that is going to do it for this Allure Beauty Box December unboxing. Again, let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys go. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, friends.